Armina, and this is the new tech coming out: virtual reality gaming, Oculus Rift, high-powered wireless charging. September 18 is the release date for the iPhone 6s and 7.
Hi, I'm Lauren, and this is your world news. A boy in Thailand trips in a museum, punching a hole through a $1.5 million painting.
Hi, I'm Gio, and this is your viral video for the week.
One question for you. What are those?
Hello. What do you have in store for your students this year?
I'm going to let my students study the most exciting subject in the world, geography. We're going to learn about where we live, how we live, and why we live that way. We're going to learn about people and places, and it's all going to be exciting.
What are your goals this year?
To be smarter about geography.
How do you think your students are doing so far?
My students are awesome. They're the best students ever. Waller is the best school ever. And I'm learning to be a good geography teacher.
Hi, I'm Gio, and here's Lauren, who they apparently let out instead of me. Ridiculous.
Thanks, Gio. I'm Lauren, and I'm reporting live from the parking lot. As you can see, they're doing some work so the concrete is much more smooth. Back to you, Gio.
And now to sports.
Hi, my name is Jonas, and this is the sports. Broncos versus Chiefs, September 17th. Patriots versus Bills, September 20th. Titans versus Browns, September 20th. Texans versus Panthers, September 20th. Cardinals versus Bears, September 20th. Lions versus Vikings, September 20th.
Have a great day, Waller.